How does yeast make dough rise? I'm so glad you asked. It's actually really fascinating. When you first start to mix the ingredients for your bread, the yeast is just kind of like a little blob sitting in the flour. But as you add water and start to knead the dough, the yeast starts to activate, and it starts to eat the sugars in the flour, and it produces carbon dioxide. And that's what makes the dough rise. But there's more. As the yeast eats more and more sugar, it gets bigger and bigger. And when it gets bigger, it produces even more carbon dioxide, which makes the dough rise even more. It's like a snowball effect. And at the same time, the gluten in the flour is forming a network that traps all of that carbon dioxide and water, and it makes the dough nice and stretchy. But if you want the dough to rise even more, you can add a little bit of salt, because salt makes the dough more elastic, which means it can trap even more carbon dioxide. Now you know. Hit that like button and subscribe for more.